Inglewood, a judge on Tuesday, June 15, denied the defense's latest bid for a mistrial or an immediate delay in Robert Durst's murder trial based on the New York real estate scion's health condition. Durst's lead attorney, Dick DeGuerin, told Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Mark Windham that his 78-year-old client is a very ill person, and that Durst's ability to assist in his own defense is severely impacted. Deputy District Attorney John Lewin countered that the defense will do anything they can to secure a mistrial or delay in the trial. The judge said he was denying the motion and that testimony would continue as scheduled, but indicated that he would be willing to hear from a doctor if the defense wanted to schedule a hearing. "There's no way this is going to support a mistrial," Windham said during a subsequent afternoon hearing after jurors were sent home for the day. The judge noted that the defendant's health is very, very concerning, while noting that the case is enormous in its impact on the community, on witnesses, on a huge number of people, who are affected by how we proceed, and saying that particular factor weighs against a delay. The prosecutor said there shouldn't be such a hearing unless or until the doctors say Durst should not be in court. Durst appears to be alert and able to communicate with his legal team, according to Lewin. Another of Durst's attorneys, David Chesnoff, countered that there were at least 2 occasions during the day's testimony in which Durst had nodded off, with the judge saying that he noticed it at one point. Jurors were sent home for the day last Thursday without hearing any testimony, with the judge saying outside the jury's presence then that Durst was being treated in a jail hospital. On Monday, DeGuerin told the judge that a doctor appointed by the defense said Durst was diagnosed with a urinary tract infection and sepsis as a complication of his bladder cancer and malnutrition. Less than a month ago, the judge rejected an emergency motion from the defense seeking to postpone the trial indefinitely based on what Durst's lawyers said were the defendant's life-threatening health issues. In making the case then for a continuance, DeGuerin reeled off a list of Durst's serious health concerns, including severe malnourishment, a recurrence of esophageal cancer, atrial fibrillation, chronic kidney disease, coronary disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and spinal disease. He said his client has gotten much worse in the last year. Durst is charged with murder for the December 2000 killing of Susan Berman, a writer with whom he had been close friends for years after the two met at UCLA. The murder charge includes the special circumstance allegation that she was killed because she was a witness to a crime.